So this value is 0, and we have the radius value. The radius value is 57 degrees 16 minutes, and this is the value here. Like we have the value is 1 by root 3 minus 1 is the value. If you will simplify, you will get this. And let us see that first problem. So how to solve the first problem? So the first problem we can solve like cos power 4 theta minus sin power 4 theta, right? So we can write it as cos square theta whole square minus sin square theta whole square. So it is like a square minus b square form. A square minus b square is nothing but a plus b into a minus b. So that is cos square theta plus sin square theta into cos square theta minus sin square theta. So we know that what we know that means here cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. So we can take it is as 1. In the same way, this one we are going to write it is as we are going to write, that is 1 into, so from here 1 is common, right? 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta we are going to write. This cos square theta we are going to write 1 minus sin square theta. So that is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Got it, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
It's okay. Right, so one more question. The angle of elevation of
Sir,
yes,
sir, last and second step ఒకసారి చెప్పండి sir.
ma, it is cos square theta, right? Cos square theta we can write 1 minus sin square theta minus sin square theta.
Okay, sir.
Next, let us see the angle of elevation of top of the tower from a point 60 meters from its foot is 30 degrees. Then what is the height of the tower? So here they give like there is a tower. From this tower to somewhere there is an angle of elevation. The angle of elevation here it is like 30 degrees it is there, and the distance is 60 degrees, 60 meters. So we need to calculate its height. So to calculate its height, generally we are going to taking which ratio we are going to taking? Tan ratio we can take. Why? Because opposite side by adjacent side it is the right. So let us write it is as A, B, C. So write tan 30 degrees is equals to AB by BC. What is the tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equals to, we don't know, AB by 60. So let us cross multiply. If we may cross multiply, we may get this value is AB is equals to 60 by root 3. So here we have root 3, right? So let us rationalize the root 3. So that is equals to 60 into root 3 by root 3 whole square. Square root gets cancelled. If square root gets cancelled, 60 into root 3 by 3. So that is 3 1 ja 3 20 ja 20 root 3. So root 3 value we know that the root 3 value is 1.732. So that is 20 into 1.732. You should calculate and write its speed. Next one, ma. Tan alpha is equals to 1 by 2. Tan alpha is equals to 1 by 2. Tan beta is equals to 1 by 3. Then alpha plus beta is equals to dash. Option A 30 degrees. Option B 60 degrees. Option C 45 degrees. And option D 0 degrees. It's a homework to solve at home. Next one. Cos 45 degrees into cos 60 degrees minus sin 45 degrees into sin 60 is equals to dash.
Sir, 1. Sir, 1, sir.
No, ma.
Sir, 0, sir.
Yes, ma. Next. Next one. Cos square 52 plus theta plus cos square 38 minus theta is equals to dash. Option A 0, option B 1, option C -1, option D 2.
Sir, option B, 1.
Very good, ma'am. So how to solve means this cos square 52 plus theta, it is the right. We should take 90 minus theta. So we will get sin 38 degrees plus theta. Sorry, sin 38 degrees minus theta we will get. So these two values will go into taking is equals to 1. Next, one more. Right, fourth one. Tan theta is equals to 3 by 4. Then 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta is equals to dash. And sin theta plus cos theta is equals to A. Sin theta minus cos theta is equals to X. Then option A is equals to 2 plus root 2. Option B is equals to 2 minus root 2. Option C is equals to plus or minus square root of 2 minus a square. And option D. Option D is equals to plus or minus square root of 2 plus a square. Next one. Sixth one. Secant theta plus tan theta is equals to P.
Sir, is
Then-
second answer B, sir.
Yes, ma, very good. So p square minus 1 by p square plus 1 is equals to dash. Option A cos theta, option B sin theta, option C secant theta, and option D cot theta. Right, one more.
Sir, option A.
Sin theta is equals to 1.
Sir,
Yes, ma.
sir, option A cos theta.
No, ma. Once cross check, ma. So, right. Cosecant theta plus sin theta is equals to 1. Cosecant theta plus sin theta is equals to 1. Then cosecant cube theta plus sin cube theta is equals to dash. Option A minus 2, option B 2, option C 1, option D minus 1. Now for this sin theta is the correct answer. Cross check once please. Next, sin theta into cos theta is equals to 1 by 2. Sin theta into cos theta is equals to 1 by 2. Then theta is equals to dash. Yes, actually is.
45.
Yes, very good, ma'am. Plus 3 minus 1 by 3 you should not plus. Finding everything. Next, right. Cos theta is equals to 3 by 5. Cos theta is equals to 3 by 5. Then the value of cot theta plus cosecant theta is equals to dash.
Sir, is seventh one D, sir.
Seventh one,
D minus 1.
no ma'am. The value is minus 2. Once cross check.
Sir, ante cosecant theta plus sin theta whole cube చేయాలి కదా. One sorry.
Here they ask to cube, right? We want to making cubic ma. We want to make the cube. Cube చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది ma.
Okay, sir.
Next, cosecant theta minus cosecant theta minus cot theta is equals to cube. Then cosecant theta is equals to dash. Option A, q minus 1 by q. Option B, 1 by 2 into q minus 1 by q. Option C, 1 by 2 into q plus 1 by q and q plus 1 by q.
Sir, 1 by 2 option C, sir. Sir,
Yes, ma, correct, ma. Next, sin 150 degrees into cos 120 is equals to dash. Sin 150 degrees into cos 120 degrees is equals to dash. Option A, 1 by 4. Option B, minus 1 by 4. Option C, root 3 by 2. Option D, 3 by 2. Next, write 2 more and last 2 more problems. Evaluate sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. The value of tan 5 degrees into tan 25 degrees into tan 45 degrees into tan 65 degrees into tan 85 degrees is equals to dash.
One, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, one is the answer.
sir, 11th one root 2, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Next, sin square A is equals to sin square A is equals to 1 by 2 tan square 45 degrees.
Sir, 11th one option B, sir. Sir, 10th one, sir, 10th one.
Option.
B, ball. Minus 1 by 4.
Okay, ma'am. It's correct answer. Sin square A is equals to 1 by 2 tan square 45 degrees. Where A is an acute angle. A is acute angle. Then A is equals to dash. Next, last and final. Tan theta is equals to 7 by 8. Then 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is equals to dash.
49 में 64 से
Sorry, man, 60.
4
49 by 64.
49 में 64 से
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, 13th one 45 degrees, sir.
It is 64 by 49, ma. You should observe once.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, 13th one 45 degrees, sir.
Yeah, I will tell you. Yes, ma'am, 45 degrees.
Okay, sir.
So this is the concept of trigonometry, ma. Like these problems only will arise. I think so. We hope you that. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me now, ma.
Sir, 12th one చెప్పండి, sir.
explain 13th one sir.
Sir, 12th one చెప్పండి, sir.
Okay, ma. Okay.
13th one also sir.
Yeah, sure, sure. See, here we have the 12th one is like, so what it is there means, tan 5 degrees, tan 25 degrees, tan 45 degrees, tan 65 degrees, tan 85 degrees, it is the right. So we can write it is as tan 90 degrees. So what it is there, tan 90 it is the right. Sorry, tan 85 it is the right. Tan 85 degrees we can write like tan 90 minus 5 degrees. Is it or not? So in the same way, if you are observing, tan 90 minus theta is in fourth coordinate, sorry, first coordinates. In first coordinates, all the trigonometric ratios is positive. So it is going to take cot 5. So this value is going to take cot 5. And same as it is, this the value will take cot 25 it will take. So how it is means 90 minus 25 is equal to 65 degrees. So if you are observing here, tan 5 degrees into
Sir, sir, మీరు mute లో ఉన్నారు.
sorry for inconvenience, ma. So like it is there, so tan 45, here we can write it is as cot 25. Cot 25 we can write it is 1 by tan 25, right? And cot 5 we can write 1 by tan 5. So tan 5, cot 25 will get cancelled, and tan 45 is equal to what? Did you got understood, ma?
Yes, sir.
Next, let us see that next this 13th one. Thirteenth one is like, so what it is there means, sin square a is equal to 1 by 2 tan square 45, it is the right 45 degrees. So we know that tan square 45 is equal to 1, right? Tan 45 is equal to 1, 1 square is equal to 1. So that is 1 by 2 into 1 square, so that is 1 by 2. So here they asked him like, what they asked here, they asked sin square, right? So if you are going to apply here, let us see. Sin A is equal to 1 by root 2. Sin A is equal to 1 by root 2. When sin A is equal to 1 by root 2, when
45
sin
degrees.
A is equal to 1 by root 2, then it is equal to 1 by root 2 sin 45. So and A is equal to 45 degrees. Got it, ma?
Yes, sir.